Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions Partners here at Fix8 Media. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Duda Button Widget. Once you're logged into your Duda website, simply go over to the left bar and click on Widgets. There, we're going to have you choose the button and drag or position it in the row and page that you wish for the button to exist. And, like most of our Duda widgets, we're going to be presented with content and design options. Beginning with the content options, our first choice is to choose the text for the button. Learn more. Next, we would choose where we wish to link that button. And the options of where we can link the button are presented below, beginning with existing pages of your website, which can be affected simply by clicking the drop-down and selecting the page. Our next option is to click Website URL, and this is where you would typically enter links that would be leaving your website or leaving your page and going to another website. And it's generally best practice to open those in a new window. And the last three are all SEO options regarding how you wish those links to be tracked. Next option is to link to a pop-up. Next option is to link to anchor links, which allow you to link to a page and then in certain scenarios, sections on those pages. You can link directly to blog posts, directly to email addresses, directly to phone numbers, such as a click-to-call scenario, and then finally, files for download. The file size limit, 50 megabytes per file. Moving over to our Design tab. Here we have some styling options as far as the button layout, and in this scenario I will click and change that to a pill-shaped. I can also change the size, the color, the border, and many more options. And I can also control the typography or the font style, weight, size, and more. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fix8 Duda experts.